Welcome back to FOSS Pulse News, your trusted source for free and open source software updates. Ubuntu 26.04 splits firmware package to reduce update sizes. The upcoming release of Ubuntu 26.04 introduces a notable change by splitting the firmware package aimed at reducing update sizes for users. This move is part of a broader strategy to enhance system performance and user experience by making updates more efficient. By separating the firmware into distinct components, the distribution can deliver smaller, more targeted updates that reduce bandwidth usage and save storage space on devices. Mesa's KosmicKrisp Vulkan-On-Metal achieves MoltenVK feature parity. The Mesa project has announced that its KosmicKrisp driver for Vulkan-On-Metal has reached feature parity with MoltenVK, a popular open-source implementation. This development is significant as it enhances support for macOS and iOS applications using Vulkan, a modern graphics API. By achieving this milestone, KosmicKrisp provides developers with more options for leveraging Vulkan's capabilities on Apple platforms. Linux 7.0 integrates new code to replace the TuxBoot logo during build. The Linux 7.0 development team has introduced new code that allows the replacement of the iconic TuxBoot logo during build time with an alternative logo designed by the FBDB graphics driver developers. This change aims to offer more flexibility and customization options for users who want a different visual experience when booting their systems. The update is part of a broader effort to enhance the Linux kernel's adaptability and user interface. Linux kernel improvements significantly speed up hibernation on slow SSDs. The latest updates to the Linux kernel have introduced enhancements that can make hibernation several times faster, particularly on slower solid-state drives, SSDs. This improvement addresses a common bottleneck by optimizing how data is managed during the sleep and rest-in process. The changes focus on better handling of swap files, which are crucial in saving the system's state to disk when entering hibernation. Power sequencing for PCIe.2 connectors added to Linux 7.0. Linux 7.0 now includes support for power sequencing in PCIe.2 connectors, enhancing device stability and compatibility. This update allows systems to manage the order of powering on components, crucial for maintaining system integrity and preventing damage from incorrect voltage levels. The integration supports various hardware configurations and is expected to improve performance for users with complex setups involving multiple M.2 devices. wlroots 0.20 is nearing release with new protocols and an enhanced Vulkan renderer. The upcoming version of wlroots, a library for Wayland compositors, introduces several significant updates aimed at improving performance and functionality. Key among these enhancements are the integration of new protocols that promise to streamline communication between different components within the Wayland ecosystem. Linux News Update highlights key developments from early February 2026. The 9 to 5 Linux Weekly Roundup for February 15, 2026 covers several key developments in the Linux ecosystem. Notably, there's a significant update to GNOME 46 introducing new features that enhance user experience and productivity. Meanwhile, Fedora Workstation has launched its latest version, focusing on improved performance and cutting-edge software compatibility. KaOS Linux switches from KDE Plasma to Niri/Noctalia desktop environments. After 12 years of using KDE Plasma, KaOS Linux has shifted its focus to the Niri and Noctalia desktop environments. This change is part of an effort to move away from systemd, which some users feel limits customization and control over their systems. The new environment aims to offer more flexibility and user-defined configurations. Developers are committed to maintaining a lightweight system with the option for users to select minimal installations or add custom features as needed. Emacs is being used as the writing tool of choice for crafting a new novel. The author shares their journey in adopting Emacs for writing a novel, emphasizing its powerful customization and efficient workflow. Unlike traditional word processors, Emacs offers a highly personalized experience through extensive packages that enhance productivity. The writer highlights features such as distraction-free mode, seamless integration with version control systems like Git, and real-time spell checking. FOSS Pulse News signing off for today. Stay free, stay open, tune in tomorrow for more free and open source software news.